If you want to open Google Chrome in full screen without pressing F11, this quick guide will show you the easiest method on your computer. This is especially helpful if your keyboard doesn't have an F11 key, or if you just want a mouse-only way to switch into full screen mode. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tips and computer tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three dots menu, which is the main Chrome menu. Click those three dots to open the menu options. After the menu opens, look for the full screen icon. In most cases, you'll find it beside the zoom controls right around the plus and minus buttons. The full screen icon usually looks like a box or expand symbol. Click that icon and Chrome will immediately enter full screen mode without using the F11 key. Now you'll notice the browser fills your entire screen, giving you more space and removing distractions like the tab bar and address bar until you move your mouse to the top edge. This is a really simple trick, but it can be very useful if you're watching videos, presenting something, or just want a cleaner browsing experience. If you ever want to exit full screen, you can move your mouse to the top of the screen and use the same menu option again, or simply use the full screen exit control if it appears. So to recap, the fastest way to open Google Chrome full screen without F11 is to click the three dots menu in the top right corner and then select the full screen icon beside the zoom controls. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.